Hello, Malaika.
My
Welcome.
God, Gauri, that was a very formal hello, Malaika. But so good to see
What
you.
should I say? Namaste, Malaika.
नहीं, गले लगाते हैं ना, गले से मिलाते हैं हम. Why should we be so formal?
So, Malaika, I believe you have a great surprise for your son, Arhan, and that's why you're here.
That's right. Firstly, surprises. Him and me, we both hate surprises.
Really?
I don't know. There's a tension, na, when it's a surprise. Ki, will it be fine? Will it turn out fine? Will they like it? Will they not?
Yeah,
There's just too much
100%.
pressure with a surprise. Same thing with Arhan. He is so this about surprises. He's such a creature of habit. He will not want any change. Even his meals are like that. It has to be the same Monday to Sunday. It is all very well.
You're taking a big risk.
Huge risk. I'm very worried. But I said, you know what? I want to do something special. He's growing up.
That's so lovely.
He's now a big boy. He'll be 20 this year.
20?
Yes, he'll be 20 this year. And I said, you know,
Oh my God.
I'm sick of seeing his room. I'm sure he's sick of seeing his room, but he's not saying anything. So I feel, and I wanted to be a surprise where he actually walks into the room
And says, wow.
and he is shocked. You
Leave
know,
it
just
to me.
entrust you, completely trust you with this task of surprising my son who has no clue, and the onus is on you.
Oh, that's some pressure.
Now the pressure is on you. I'm just going to give you a brief.
Okay.
But Gauri, I'm really, really happy to see this. It's like a role reversal of sorts. You know, ideally, this would be my place here.
Yes.
I'd be doing the
Like
interview.
the talk show
I would be doing
hostess.
the interview and asking the questions or judging or whatever.
Yes.
And you would probably be on the other side. So after all these years, now for you to have that.
You know something, frankly, when I'm doing this show, for me, I'm not thinking I'm like on a talk show and, you know, asking the questions and being like, you know, the taking over the, you know, the whole concept of, you know, the show. But it's for me, it's more like, it's about interiors, it's about what I love, it's about my passion. But trust me, for me to get ready and get the look right in front of the camera, it's an effort. I have to admit that I respect people more. I feel like, you know, you've been doing it for so many years. I'm hats off. I think it's commendable and you love it and you're in front of the camera and I can see the love. Like the camera loves you and you love the camera. So Malaika, you have some images, photos, anything like, you know, his likes, dislikes, anything which you can show me, some videos, that'll be really helpful.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'll show you pictures now of his current room. So at least you get an idea
of what he
things
likes,
that I certainly don't want.
Throw them up.
You know, chuck all of it. Just take it and just
Throw it,
all of that and literally revamp the whole thing. So yeah, I'll share a couple of those things because I have some.
Okay, you have it right here.
Yeah. So obviously, like I said, now he is a grown-up boy. What you see right now is all very, very childish. So I feel now he needs, now it's a different generation, a new way of life. He's gone, he's left home, he's traveling. So, you know, he sees life differently. He's growing up. I want clutter out of his room because it was just too
messy.
Much. It was messy.
Hell.
I need that clutter gone. I need things to be put into...
Organized,
put into areas where I know everything is... At the open of a drawer, he just does that and it's there. But at the same time, you don't see it. It's all neatly hidden.
Oh, this I can see something here. That's his bed?
Yeah.
Does he need like a sofa, some sitting, or does he need some...
So right now, he just has a table. There's a desk, which is... Actually, the desk is used to pile up all dirty clothes.
So it's useless.
It's useless.
Throw it out.
And also, most importantly, it's a very average size room. It's not a large size room that you can go crazy doing things. So I feel you need to make the most of the space that is there. At the same time, there's enough to move around. So I want a little area where he can sit. So these are a few things that he likes. Another thing I know that he loves is anime. He loves that.
I've heard that before.
Yes, he loves it.
I think all the boys at this age are just obsessed.
So that is something I cannot touch. But having said that, some of the things I want to retain because it's pure memory.
Of course.
You know, you just kind of place it just for sentimental value.
Yeah.
And well, so that's pretty much like it, you know, like these are the things that he likes. I mean, there's a wallpaper that he has which has been there
forever,
for a long time. Now, I can't bear seeing that wallpaper anymore. I just want him to enter his room and say wow and feel happy and feel like, chalo, I'm back home after so many months.
I think
it's a
well done.
challenge of both
Well
of us.
done, Malaika. Yeah, it sounds great.
So I'm really excited. Let's do this.
Okay, I'm really, really excited, and I only have one thing to say. I keep my fingers crossed, and I hope Arhan loves this surprise. So, let's go. Oh my God. Am I really in Arhan's room? Because I don't recognize where I am right now. It just seems completely different. Wow. I am so, and I love the use of the colors, the space. I know Arhan loves anime. This was something that I was very, very particular about. Oh, the bed. Listen, the bed is not a bed, it's a football field now. It's a huge bed. I love the wallpaper. It looks so, so good. Oh my God. I have to say the little touches. Oh, how sweet. There's a little hamper here. Here's hoping this room is everything you hope for and more. May Arhan grow to achieve all he ever wants. Thank you, Kurlon, for this wonderful gift hamper that has been sent. Oh, there's something else over here that says, oh, how sweet. Hi, Gauri.
Hi, Malaika. I had the best time designing Arhan's bedroom. It took me back to my childhood days, and I definitely learned something new about Arhan's generation.
Ah, wow. This has been such a beautiful, beautiful experience. And I have to say, Arhan would love it. It's beautiful. I love it. And I'm sure we all would. I wish you all the very best. And thank you once again for making this surprise for my son, Arhan, come true. Thank you.